Hello friends, in this lecture we will see next operation planar deburring, and for planar deburring first I'm going to apply a facing operation and one floor and wall, and after that I will use this planar deburring. And for this I have added one end mill, 30 mm end mill, and one chamfer mill. See, this is chamfer mill, and one ball mill for deburring. We use ball mill or chamfer mill for deburring. So first of all, I'm going to define the workpiece, and my part is this. So select this one and select blank as a bounding block. Okay, and I want to do some finishing operation. So I have added some extra material here. So it will come here 0.55 is the material for facing, and okay. And next, specify check. I want to add this clamp as a check, or if you have any table, any clamp, so we can add that geometry as a check. Okay, and click OK. So first step is done. Now I'm going to use first operation, floor facing, and 123 is a folder, so I'm going to add this in 123, and my mill is a working tool and workpiece, and click OK. Now first of all specify the cut floor, and this is my cut floor, and zigzag, and final floor is 0 as a stock part stock, and change it to blank geometry, and 50% up to diameter and generate. Okay, just okay. I have restarted this annex. Now the face is already selected. Just click here generate, toolpath will generate, and it will automatically detect the clamp where it is clamped, and it will left that place where is clamp. So say this. Okay, click OK. So this is the first operation, and next I'm using floor and wall, and my tool is mill, workpiece, and my method is this finish, and cut area floor is this. Add this one, add this, add this, and this. Okay, automatic wall, keep the stock as 0, and use blank as IPW, whatever the rest material after this floor facing, and step over depth of cut 1.0 for this training purpose, and click to verify. We have already done all this operation. Okay, some middle is left because of tool, the tool die is bigger, so click OK. And I want to check the radius here and here. For this I'm going to select this, or here we have local radius 9.5 is the radius, and 6.3. So I'm going to add a new tool. Animal 12 is the diameter, and flute length as 40, and tool is 3, 3, 3. Okay, double click here. I want to add it, and I want to change this tool and feed and speed. Let's see the result. Okay, now I want to do the deburring operation. So click this OK, and next operation is this planar deburring. It will use only for the planar faces. Okay, and my tool is ball mill or chamfer mill, anyone you can select, and finish OK. And from the geometry I'm going to select the cutting area. So this is my cutting area. Add and add. So only the edges which is available on this face will be deburred, and stock material, no need to define this stock material. And from here this is chamfer, and the stock we have already discussed this chamfer in chamfer milling, this chamfer z offset. So I'm taking as 1, and the chamfer size, how much material you want to remove. So I'm using zero point 0.5 for this, and calculate. Okay, and let's see the result. In 3D dynamic it will not be properly visible, so we have to go through this 2D dynamic, and I will tell you how to enable this. It is not visible now, so we have one alternate option. No problem, just use this same options, and cutting geometry is this, and this face, and from the main offset is 1, and chamfer size 0.5 I'm using. Okay, and geometry axis is the same. If you want to apply this deburring operation on the hole, that time it will consider. If you want to ignore that hole, so hole will ignore, which is 150% of tool diameter. Okay, which will equal or less than hole size. Okay, so feed speed we have already defined, just calculate and OK. And how we will see this, just hide this part. So from here select this, and OK inwards, select and right click to hide. I want to hide all these things from the view. Immediate hide. OK, now click and verify this using collect. Right, now see, this deburring is here, and because of clamp tool unable to cut here. and the deburring is only on two faces which we have selected. Okay, click OK, and from the view, hide and show all bodies. Okay, now I want to generate the program for this. Okay, so select this program 123 folder and post processor, and post processor, how to add a new post processor. See, I'm telling you, browse. Here we have an expose processor. Here we have all the list, and I want this Fanuc 3-axis milling. So click here, right click. You can directly select from here, and if you want to use this repeatedly, so copy it, cancel. Again open directly this post processor folder will highlight. Go and paste it here. Fanuc 3-axis metric. Open. See, this post processor is now here. Now okay. Why so? Wait. I'm doing the same with any other post processor. Tool number is missing. So we have to copy and paste. Say this is all three file. See, from this folder we have three files. Copy all three files. Okay, and paste it here. Right. Copy and paste. All three file will be in this folder. Now I'm going to select this. Okay, and okay. Okay, so in this way you can generate CNC program for your operation.